All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from our Joburg office. Good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. I hope you guys are having a good morning so far. It is a Tuesday. We're going to get on with our opening bell this morning. The focus is on the crypto. All right, we're still looking at the crypto prices. We're still monitoring these prices. We're still looking at what's happening around the world that may affect the crypto prices. So this morning we have Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. Nothing has happened in the past couple of days. All right. Price has been consolidating in the past couple of days, and as such creating a contracting pattern. So we're seeing that pattern on both these charts, right, on both Ethereum as well as Bitcoin. Now this is a classic chart pattern where price can break either towards the upside or towards the downside. It's the movement is bilateral, right? The price may break either towards the upside or towards the downside. So the approach here would be to wait for a breakout so that we get that aggressive move in that direction. So whenever price squeezes like this, the breakout becomes very strong. All right. So this is what's happening at the moment. We've got minimal reaction, right? Muted reaction to what could be possibly happening right now in the crypto. But if you look at the indicators we spoke about, you know, you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, looking at the crypto market, how Bitcoin movement is affecting the crypto total market cap, looking at other indicators, and also keeping an eye on a few regulations that may be in place in the US. At the moment, there's pretty much nothing significant at the moment. However, there is a meeting in the White House that's going to take place at the end of this month, right? There's an important meeting regarding one of the bills that are supposed to be passed. However, there was a bit of issues with that bill. So the meeting has been postponed to the 28th of February. So there's going to be a major, one of the key updates in terms of regulations in the US or fundamentals, right? But our main indicators are still the same. Nothing has moved. We are still within the Bitcoin season according to the altcoin index, but nothing has been moving, all right? So as such, we are keeping an eye on the prices. We are each and every day, each and every week, we are keeping an eye on what the crypto prices are doing, right, while anticipating certain movements. So we could be looking at some short-term movements here on Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, right? Like I said, we have a pattern, a classic pattern. So price may break towards the upside or towards the downside. And these movements, we are going to be looking at these movements from a short-term point of view. Bitcoin as well, we may get a break towards the upside, short-term move, or towards the downside as a short-term move. All right. So that's basically what's happening. All right. And then once we get these movements, we will then keep an eye on what the other coins are doing, because Bitcoin needs to react first before the other coins give us a reaction. All right. So short and sweet market commentary, morning market commentary today. So we're going to keep an eye throughout the week to see what Bitcoin will do, and then we'll give you guys updates. All right. And obviously later on today, we have the trading room at 2 p.m. So do join us there on the trading room to get more updates on these markets. All right. So guys, that's it from us this morning. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one and enjoy the rest of your day. We'll catch you guys later on at 2 p.m. Cheers.